Meaning of fury.
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 Fury. Fury is a noun that describes an intense and uncontrolled anger, often accompanied by violent behavior. It is a state of extreme emotional agitation and can lead to destructive actions. People in a state of fury may have difficulty controlling their impulses and may lash out at others or engage in destructive behavior. The aftermath of fury can be disastrous, with injuries, damage, and emotional scars. It is important to recognize the signs of fury in oneself and others and seek help to manage these powerful emotions before they escalate out of control.